says, I attended a casual gathering. And once the gathering was over, the people made a group dua before everyone left. And she objected to that, telling them that this is a bid'ah. And they said that it's done very rarely, once in a while, therefore it's not a bid'ah. But if done on regular basis, then it will be bid'ah. Is this true? Dua is a sunnah. The Prophet says, when someone does you a favor, reward him. And if you cannot reward him, make dua for him. So making dua is a good thing. And people usually mix things up. So they say that congregational dua after every fard prayer, as many countries do, this is an innovation, a bid'ah, which is totally true. Why? Because it's being done every single fard prayer. Congregational dhikr, the Imam says Subhanallah, Subhanallah, and they offer salutation to the Prophet, they repeat after him. This is totally innovation. But if we go to a place and there's a wedding, and one of the elders during the wedding or during the party or at the conclusion of the party raises his hand, praises Allah Azza wa Jal, offers salutation to the Prophet and says, may Allah Azza wa Jal make their marriage successful, may Allah grant them righteous offspring, and everybody's saying Ameen. There's nothing wrong in that. This is totally legit and there's nothing wrong in that. But if this becomes a regular habit after every time we, for example, gather at a certain event and it's a must that we make dua, no. Yes, the Prophet ﷺ, whenever he dined at people's houses, he would make dua for them. So if you come and eat lunch at my house, I don't promise I'm going to invite you, but if you so happen and come and you make dua, will I stop you? No, definitely not. Make dua. Jazakallah khair. The Prophet used to say, أَكَلَ طَعَامَكُمُ الْأَبْرَارُ وَأَفْطَرَ عِنْدَكُمُ الصَّائِمُونَ وَصَلَّتْ عَلَيْكُمُ الْمَلَائِكَةُ. He used to supplicate for the people. So this is permissible. It is not related to a particular ibadah such as prayer, and it's becoming a habit, a regular habit. Therefore, I don't believe that there is anything wrong in that, insha'Allah.